Welcome to how to connect two internet lines on Untangle Firewall. With multiple internet connections, you will have a seamless system and serve more devices. Here are the interfaces on the firewall, one internal interface and two external interfaces. I mark the external interfaces as follows. Untangle supports modes such as automatic, static IP address or dial-up. Two connections are online. On the firewall, I install an application called Failover. The application is responsible for checking the connection online or offline. There are many ways to check the connection. I use the default way. I check the status of each connection on the external interface. From the checks on the firewall will change the way to redirect internet traffic. I disconnect each external interface to check the result. After just a few seconds, the internet connection will be restored. Next is how to balance the load when using multiple internet lines. On the firewall, you install an application called Balancer. By default, the traffic is divided equally on two interfaces. But in reality, the lines have different bandwidths, so you should customize accordingly. Instead of using the default settings, I use more on interface 1. Ratio 70 and 30. In addition, you can also set the traffic path to the internet of one or more devices. For example, on the firewall, I have a group of devices on VLAN 10. I only allow these devices to go to the internet on a specified interface. I create a new rule as follows. All devices using VLAN 10 go to the internet via interface 1. I set this computer to use VLAN 10 and its IP address as above. This is the public IP address my computer uses to access the internet. I will modify the rule so that this computer goes to the internet via interface 2. If the public IP address changes, it means I am successful. I edit the rule as follows. And this is the public IP address after the change. As you can see, the two addresses different IPs, just like I mentioned. Very flexible, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. With multiple internet connections, you will have more ways to optimize your system.